What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by Autotop NL. My name is Max, and today you join me on a Saturday morning. It is 8:15 in the morning, and we are here with this. This is Bird's BMW M4 competition, and it is a freaking beast, this thing. 830 horsepower, 915 newton meters of torque. This thing is an animal. And it's got rear wheel drive. So this is truly a very impressive car, and it is like a little bit leery. It's a little bit sketchy. It's a bit too much power for the rear wheels, which always means that we have a lot of fun. So today I'm going to show you around it. I'll show you all the mods on it, and then we'll take it for a drive towards the Autobahn. Morning. For an Autobahn blast. Now, we have some exterior modifications as well. We've got an AC Schnitzer. Wow, that was very German pronunciation. Very nice. AC Schnitzer front splitter. Little canards here as well. We've got the carbon exterior package and this carbon inlay for the front grille. So the more open, like CSL style, I would say, grille. Very nice. We've got a black on black spec, and then we've got these Apex wheels. Really like them. They fit the car really well, I think. And then behind that we've got the carbon ceramic brakes. So a proper spec for this car. The only thing it's missing, Bird told me that it's got the LED lights and not the laser lights. So you can see that because it has different daytime running lights and it has a separate indicator. Normally, when you have the laser light, the outer one is the indicator. Other than that, it's got everything that Bird wanted. We also have these Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires. Very good tire, very sticky. This is a 285. That is quite wide actually. A 285/20 at the front. Very wide front tire. And then we've got AC Schnitzer coilover suspension as well. With a kind of a softer setup for the rear. Because it has so much power, and yeah, you kind of want to improve the grip at the rear. So they softened up the rear, which is quite nice. Forged wheels actually. I do like the wheel. I think it fits the car. Looks cool. I love these tires as well. That sidewall is so delicious. And this is a 305 section at the rear. So nice fat rubber. And then we've got a carbon spoiler here at the rear as well. A Miltech exhaust, which is very loud. I'm assuming it's completely straight. We do have a bit of a back box here, and then it does have a resonator in the middle. Okay, that's nice. I think I did see a resonator there. Yeah, so, but it is still, it's super loud. That's also because of the Decat downpipes. And we've got an Eventuri intake as well, as you can see, gorgeous. And then carbon engine cover. And we've got upgrade turbos on this car. We've got Mosselmann turbos. And that means that we have 830 horsepower, 915 newton meters of torque. We've got XHP software for the gearbox as well. Yeah, this S58, I mean, I've said it before, I'll say it again. It's such an absolute beast of an engine, and with these turbos, I mean, it's absolutely savage. It's insane. They actually even had more power than this. It was at like 860, 870, but they dialed it back for the safety of the gearbox. And yeah, I think that's a good thing because it's very aggressive. We're also running E40 today, so a bit of ethanol inside here. Yeah, black on black, as I said. So we've got black leather. We do have the buckets, which is amazing. And then, yeah, I feel like it's a bit too loud for a Saturday morning, 8 AM, but yeah, I'm sorry people, we need the space on the Autobahn. That's the only reason why I'm here this early. So yeah, let's just head out for a little drive, because you guys have seen this like a million times before, and you just want to know what it's like on the road. Well, we're going to hit M2. That is we've got Sport Plus, Sport, and then traction control off, and then manual for the gearbox to have a bit more control. And yeah, that's basically it. So the issue with this car, predictably, is the fact that it is, you know, it's so torquey, it has so much power, and those Cup 2s, they do need some time to heat up. I do believe the horses are here. I'm not sure how close they are. Yeah, they're too close. Oh, sorry. They're too close. They're too close, no matter how far. It's so loud. It also has so much power. It is outrageous. So this is third gear. You really need fourth gear. That's when it starts to grip. It is outrageous. It really is. It's also not the most sophisticated car to drive. It is a bit rough around the edges sometimes with the power delivery. It can be a bit jerky. It can be a bit, I don't know. It's not the most smooth power delivery, but when it goes, oh, it absolutely flies. It is ridiculous. It's way too much power for a P road, way too much. And Bert actually drives the car on track a lot. So I'm not sure how you're going to do that, man. I think, oh yeah, that's fourth gear. That does grip. Oh, that's very fast. But yeah, I think Bert is going to drift around all the tracks in Europe with this thing. It's just, I mean, it's very manageable because the car is amazing. It has an amazing differential gearbox. But you know, when it starts to slide around, it's really nice and controllable. It's just you need to like take into account that you've got so much power. You've got more than enough power to like keep going. So you need to like be relatively gentle with the throttle. But there, like when I hit the throttle there in fourth gear, 25-30% throttle, it started jerking a little bit. That's the only thing that I noticed. Other than that, when you're on it, it's really fast, and it does like perform. So I'm going to hit M mode for the speedo and put the gearbox in automatic. M mode for the speedo, because the GoPro keeps dying on me and on Martijn during the Autobahn run, so. But this speedo is big enough for you, I think. Jeez, Louise. So we are going to get a tire pressure notification, but that's tire pressure is fine. I don't want it to be too high, because then, you know, you have even less grip with this thing. So we're going to keep it as it is. Should be absolutely fine. Oh, but it takes off. It really does. I mean, you give you just floor it at 250 and it takes off like you're doing average motorway speeds. That's the weird thing about these cars, that when you're in automatic, it does really like to shift from 7 to 8, because that's the first limiter. But then when you shift manually, it does go beyond that. But it is outrageously quick. It really is. We did 5.1 seconds, 100 to 200, and that was with quite a bit of wheel spin because it's not able to put the power down really below 100 kilometers an hour. But man, this thing, oh, I don't really like that front suspension. I think it's a bit too loose. It's not really as tied down as they can be. Lovely morning. I mean, I hope I've given you guys an impression of what it's like to drive this thing. 830 horsepower. I think we hit like 316, so that's not too bad, but I'm going to return it. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. You can subscribe by clicking the big button in the middle. You can also check out this video on the right or this playlist on the left. See you at the next one. Bye.